Good morning, everyone, from Pattaya or Jomtien. Hello, Tanya.
Hi.
Welcome back. We haven't seen Tanya for a couple of weeks. This is her second video on Good Vibes Pattaya. And we're here at Atlantis, Jomtien, this beautiful pool resort, to show you the condo up there on the 7th floor, a 2-bedroom where that guy is with the blue shirt and blue shorts. Two better.
Yes,
And
that's the unit.
we're going to also show you a 1-bedroom and then a studio in Cozy Beach, Pratumnak. So let's go. So first room, and
สวัสดีค่ะ
Tanya's brought me to Atlantis. So this is my first time at Atlantis in Jomtien. We're going to show you a 2-bedroom first that's fully renovated, massive resort pool. This is 2-bedroom. How big's this one?
74 square meters.
74 square meters.
Yes.
Wow, look at the big balcony.
Yes. Brand new one as well. This.
It's brand new.
Yes.
Good sized TV. Nice floors.
All fully furnished for this room.
Mm-hmm.
We just do renovation and everything's
new.
New. Yes.
It's nice and spacious, isn't it?
Yes.
And well, that guy's.
And also drinking water from tap.
Yeah, that's huge plus.
Okay. And here is the master bedroom.
Okay.
Yes. Nice and cozy. And pool
Nice.
view.
You can open these windows. And it's all double glazed too. Yeah, nice thick heavy glass. Good insulation and noise insulation. King size bed.
King size.
And plenty of storage over there.
And this is bathroom. Shower.
There's the hot water unit. So you get hot water. Quintania,
Yes.
how much is the rent?
For rental, 30,000 baht per month.ค่ะ.
Long term only?
Long term only.
Okay.
1 year contract.
1 year contract.
And
What's in there?
also some storage.
Oh, okay. There you go. You can put your filter water in there, and or you put your Leo. Second bedroom.
Second bedroom.
Gosh, there's plenty of room. Good sized bedrooms, aren't they?
Yes.
See.
This room also have shower.
Mm-hmm. Wow. You got rain shower?
Yes.
Rain shower? And hand. Wand. There's hot water under there.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice.
And you've got this massive pool.
Yeah.
Is there a gym here too?
Yes, there's gym here. And the room is 30,000 baht a month.
Mm-hmm.
You might find like cheaper around 25,000 baht a month here. But maybe you don't get this view. Like the cheaper one might get the view that next to the parking area.
Ah, I see.
Yes.
We'll show you that.
Yes.
So
And
you
might
get
not
what you
be
pay
like,
for. We'll go and have a look at the facilities.
yes.
But these doors are double glazed too. So when you close the door, absolute silence.
Yeah.
Very nice. Let's go
Very
and have a look at
nice.
the facilities. Look at that. Man, this pool is huge. Oh, Captain Tanya,
Captain Tanya.
where are we going? Interesting place.
Yeah. It's really nice pool, to be honest. It's like
Yeah,
around the condo.
goes right
Yeah.
around. Hmm.
Here's the 7-Eleven.
On site. That's convenient.
Yes.
There you go.
Just right outside.
Right outside. Barber shop over the road, food places. Say no more. So we've come up to the gym. This is on the 9th floor at Atlantis. Look at the view. So this is the gym.
Our weight training and treadmill
Yeah.
for cardio.
Okay. What else do we have to show? I think that's it.
That's it.
All right. Here we are. The urban attitude. I have been here before, but first time with Tanya. We're going to look at a one bedroom.
Yes, one bedroom.
One bedroom.
One bathroom. Yes.
32 square meters.
34.
34 square meters. 15,000 a month.
Yes.
And look where we are. This is Soi Bongkot, if you haven't heard of it. Nadia's kitchen is on the left.
On the left.
On the left. And Big C, 7-Eleven, you've got everything here. And if you, just correct me if I'm wrong, Tanya, if we go down there and go left, that's third road.
Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
All right, let's go and check it out.
Let's go.
All right. Another different option. We're in Central Pattaya now, aren't we,
Yes.
basically? This is a
nice.
one bedroom. Fairly nice, very clean. Nice furniture, decorations. Clock needs a battery.
Dining table.
Dining.
Microwave. Refrigerator.
Fridge.
Yes. And washing machine.
It's handy.
And this is bathroom. The bathroom can access to the bedroom.
Ah, yes.
Yes, the door.
Wardrobes here.
Also TV in bedroom.
Mm.
Let's see the view.
City view.
The same view. City view.
Super central location.
Yeah.
It's nice and bright and airy.
The price,
Yep.
15,000 baht per month for this room.
Long term.
Yes, long term only. We normally focus on the long term. This one also long term, 1-year contract.
Okay. Nice new linen and.
The last one in Arcadia Millennium, we just
Oh,
rented
yes.
out after that video.
Okay, yeah. So the last video that Tanya was in, well, the only one up until now, we showed Arcadia Millennium Tower. That was 18,000 a month. That's been rented.
Yes. And this one not so far from that.
Close too, yeah.
Yes.
Really good central location.
Yes, in the heart of Pattaya Central. And only 2 minutes to Soi Bua Khao. If you like the city life, only 2 minutes to Soi Bua Khao to that way.
Yeah.
And then access to third road.
Okay.
Yes.
Can we go and have a look at the pool?
Yes, let's go.
So this is the rooftop at Urban Attitude.
It's not long maintained.
And they're doing a bit of work up here. There's lounges. Just to put things into perspective in terms of location, there's the Hilton over there, which is right at Central Festival.
Yes.
And the Edge. So we're back a couple of kilometres from the beach, but a little bit better value. So in the Edge, as an example, a room like this would probably rent for high 20s?
Yeah, I think
Mid
could
20s,
be,
high
yeah.
20s?
And this is also a good option for someone who loves city life but don't want to live like in the middle because it's like at the third road.
Yeah.
Yes.
And so easy to get over to the beach anyway, or walking street, and Soi Bacau's close,
Yes.
everything. Okay, let's go and have a look at the pool. Here's the little gym, it's not too bad. Is this the second floor?
Yes, second floor, swimming pool. Just
There you
right
go.
next to the gym.
Nice and shaded, no sun. And the gym is just there. Directly opposite Cozy Beach View,
Look at this.
the One Wine Infinity bottle shop. Don't need to say any more there. And then the London Bagel and Salt Beef Bar. We'll go upstairs and have a look at 8th floor.
Yes, 8th floor.
Cool. Look at that for you, everyone.
Hi.
Welcome to Cozy Beach. So this is Cozy Beach. We're on the 8th floor. We're going to have a look at a studio. But look at that view. What a cracking day. And all those boats that you can see out there, if you can see them, are going across to Koh Larn. We're literally a hop, skip and a jump through those bushes. Well, you don't go that way. To the chocolate factory, I can see the sign, Sky Gallery, Oxygen Restaurant. This is all high-end quality area around here. And this is a 35 square metre studio.
Yes.
And this is a hammock here, look.
You can just chill here and look at the view.
You can chill here and look at the view. And it's got a brand new DC inverter AC unit. King size bed. It's that new AC, but you've got a fan here too. Nice big TV.
Speaker.
Speaker for your phone or your TV. A desk.
Working desk.
Got no idea what this is. Oh. Clock? Whatever.
Maybe you can
the
level
you can.
higher or lower.
See, Tanya's just not just a pretty face, she's intelligent too.
Yes.
It's a Dyson air purifier. Not sure whether that stays or not. And what's this? Is this a...
This is the closet.
It's like camping. Oh, that's
Yes.
pretty neat. Anyway, the rent here is
12,000 baht per month.
but it's a minimum 1 year contract.
Yes, only
Okay.
long term.
Only long term. So,
It's not bad. Got everything.
yeah.
Oven, microwave.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, I didn't see that. So a lot of you guys always talk to me about an oven. This one's got an oven and a microwave
Yeah.
and a security box and a great Hitachi fridge.
I think it's a freezer.
Freezer on the bottom. Nice.
Bathroom. One bathroom.
Big shower. Wow. collection of bottled water for you. Pop and bucket.
Stock for you.
Yeah. Very organised here. Look at it. Cleaning products. Power board. I think that cooks eggs. Cutlery.
And
It's
sink.
all very clean and organised, isn't it? It's compact, but 35 square metres.
Yes.
Wow.
Only 12,000 baht a month, and you get really nice location because it's in Soi 9.
Soi 9, yeah.
If you like Pratumnak area, this is really good location.
Yeah, I've shown this place before. Cozy beaches are really popular. You've got all these awesome restaurants down there, and you can get down to Walking Street quite easily. Very nice. We're going to have a look at the pool and the gym and all that sort of thing.
Yes, let's go.
Cool.
Here's the gym.
Here's the gym at Cozy Beach.
Air conditioning.
View, aircon, beautiful. People working out, weights. Ah, sauna room. And
Also steam room.
jacuzzi. Hot. Jacuzzi hot? Yes, it is.
Nice and warm.
Jacuzzi hot. Bathrooms,
Shower room,
lockers.
yes. 2 jacuzzi.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this one cold one?
Yeah. That's very cool.
Let's go to the swimming pool.
Okay.
There's steam room.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
Look at the view.
look at that. Wow,
Wow.
what a view.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Studio room for this view. I would take it.
Yes.
Personally.
Tanya was telling me off camera that she's tempted to rent it herself, so if you want it, you're going to have to be quick.
Yeah.
So 2 pools here at Cozy Beach.
Yeah, this is 26th floor.
26th floor.
The top
Another
floor.
pool. Look at that view. Kolan straight over there. Pratumnak Buddha Hill or whatever it's called.
The big Buddha.
Big Buddha. Pattaya Bay straight through there.
Yes.
Wow. Thank you, Tanya.
Thank you.
So there you go. There's 3 great rental options, and I'll leave my QR code for Line up on the screen. And if you're interested, you contact me, and then I'll link you up with Tanya, and she'll take good care of you and help you find a property.
Yes.
One of these or something else, doesn't matter. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks, Tanya.
Thank you.
See you.
See you next time.